Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to clone application or how to create a dual applications in this device. Simply go to settings, scroll down, here you can see the option advanced features, tap on this one. Again scroll down, here you can see the option dual messenger, tap on this one. So here you can see all the applications that support the dual system that you installed. Here you can see supported apps will appear here after you installed them. Okay, so if you want to create, so let me show you. If you want to create the WhatsApp, dual WhatsApp, then turn on this option, tap on install. You can see second copy of WhatsApp is installed. You can see two WhatsApp is here. So if you want to install the Snapchat or Facebook, turn on this one, tap on install. You can see second copy of Facebook installed. You can see two Facebook is also there. So simply in this way we can clone applications in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.